welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create these cute little lip balm holders. I hope you guys can see it. But they slide out. You put your chapstick in and they slide back in. So let's begin. First, you want to have a piece of cardstock that is 2 inches by 4 inches. And then you can get either cardstock or design paper that is 3.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches. Now, let's go ahead and grab our scoreboard so we can score. Now for your design paper, I already have scored mine, but I will show you guys and tell you guys where to score at. You want to score at 3/4 of an inch. Then you want to score at 1 3/8 of an inch. Then you want to score at 2 1/4 of an inch. Then 2 7/8 of an inch. This will be your cover that it slides in and out of. Now you want to get your cardstock and you want to score at 5/8 of an inch on each side. So score, rotate, score at 5/8, score, rotate, and score. Now, once you scored all your marks, you want to fold. So we already have this top fold. Let's go ahead and move this out the way. And we are going to fold. And we are going to bone crease. And we are going to fold and bone crease. Now, you bone crease so you can get those perfect folds. Now, once you do all sides, we are going to take our scissors and we're going to cut. Now, what you want to do is cut each corner this way. So you want to cut, and then you want to cut just a small little piece so that when you fold in your box, it folds in nicely. Now, you want to do the same thing to each side. Now, once you cut each side, you want to take whatever adhesive you're using, liquid glue, whatever. I'm using my tape runner today. So you want to just run your adhesive in each little slot here, each fold. And then you want to go ahead and fold in your base. So once you got your base done, you can take your cover, which should be already folded and boned. And what you can do is just go ahead and lay it flat like here. And as you can see, there's still space. It doesn't line up perfectly. That's exactly what you want. You do not want it to line up perfectly. So just go ahead, run your adhesive on the side, fold it over, close it up. Now you have your box top to slide it in. Now you can start to decorate the top. You can use ribbon or whatever you want to use. I have 12 inch of ribbon here. Make sure you take your lighter and seal the ends so your ribbon doesn't stray or blah, blah. So your ribbon doesn't unravel when you're using it or when your customer has it. You don't have to use ribbon. You can use whatever you want to decorate the top. So I'm going to take some yellow paper, actually, And I'm going to cut out a circle that's maybe 1 1/4 of an inch. So I have my Fiskar little circle maker here. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and cut out a circle. Then we're going to take our 1 inch circle punch here. And we are going to punch out 1 inch of this mini. Now I'm going to take some decorated scissors and I'm going to try my best to cut around this circle to give it a decorated edge. No machine required. You can paper craft almost anything. They have lots of cuts like these. They have lots of cutouts you can use. This little circle thing looks so whack. But we're still going to use it here. Now we're going to just glue. No, we're not going to use that. I am so sorry, y'all. I am just going to use a regular circle, and I am going to glue using this art glitter glue. You can find it on my Amazon page if you are looking for it. Almost all the items I use in my video you can find on the Amazon page. So I'm going to give these scissors one more try. All right, we're gonna leave this alone. Now we're gonna glue it up here. Actually. And we're gonna take our ribbon. And you can use some hot glue to stick on the back here so your ribbon can stay, but I'm not gonna glue it at this moment. And I'm going to just tie me a little bow. Now when I do my bows, I tie with the bunny ears. I usually don't do the base tie. Like here, I would just glue dot it and then do the bunny ears and wrap it up. But we are not plugging in the hot glue gun, so we're gonna do what we do. You can cut your ribbon shorter if you want. But once you design it, then there you go. You can add any embellishments you want. You can use your Cricut machine to actually design it. Just take the measurements and place them into your Cricut machine. I actually might make a video on that. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop.